Okay, we just finished listening to the story, The Stone and the Tree. Now please get out a piece of paper that you can use for this activity. Step 1. On your paper, we are going to draw 2 lines. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes. Today, for this activity, you need to draw and write. So you are going to both draw and write. Let's start with number 1. For box number 1, I want you to draw and write what you listened to and what you saw for the beginning of the story. I'll help you a little. Remember, in the beginning, there was a stone that lived next to the forest, and the stone was happy. But a squirrel came and dropped a nut next to the stone. So that's the beginning. Now, part 2, number 2, we are going to break into 2 parts. Okay, this number 2 is going to be with the tree. So when the stone and tree were together. Okay, the first part is what happened when the stone and tree were together in the summer. And then, what happened when the stone and tree were together in the winter? That's number 2. I'll write it for you. So we have number 1, the beginning. Number 2, with the tree in summer and winter. Now, number 3. Number 3 is what happens when the tree dies. So how does the tree die? And how does the stone feel after the tree is dead? And number 4. Now there is no tree. So the stone is alone. This again will break into 2 parts. So when the stone is alone, when there is no tree, what happens in the summer? And again, what happens in the winter? Please take some time to finish 1, 2, 3, and 4. And please feel free, you can take a picture of your activity once it is finished and upload it. And I will give you an activity that is already finished and I think is really good for you to see. And you can see how is yours compared to the completed one. Hope you do a good job.